Amazon, the everything company. Ever wondered how one company became synonymous with online shopping and cloud technology? Let's dive into the story of Amazon, a true giant in the digital age. Amazon started as an online bookstore in 1994. Jeff Bezos envisioned a future where customers could find anything they needed online. This vision quickly expanded beyond books, transforming Amazon into the world's largest e-commerce platform. Customer obsession is at the heart of Amazon's success. They prioritize user experience, offering a vast selection of products, competitive pricing, and fast, reliable delivery. This dedication has built immense customer loyalty. Amazon didn't stop at e-commerce. Recognizing the potential of cloud computing, they launched Amazon Web Services, AWS. AWS provides on-demand cloud services to businesses of all sizes. AWS has revolutionized how companies manage their IT infrastructure. It offers scalable, cost-effective solutions, making it a leader in the cloud computing market. This diversification has been crucial to Amazon's continued growth. Logistics optimization is another key element. Amazon has invested heavily in its delivery network, ensuring fast and efficient shipping. This commitment to speed and reliability sets them apart from competitors. Amazon continues to innovate and expand into new areas. From artificial intelligence to streaming services, they are constantly pushing boundaries. Their impact on the global economy is undeniable. Want to learn more about how Amazon strategies can inspire your own business? Subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Don't miss out. Start your journey to success today.